Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're installing an eBay oil catch can. I never found any videos on how to install an eBay oil catch can. Only good brands, which have 3 ports, or they are dual catch cans. This is only one oil catch can. So yeah, I don't think you don't really need a good brand for an oil catch can. They all work the same. They're all for the same purpose. So yeah, let's get started. So first things first, you're gonna have to mount your oil catch can. I found my place right here for the oil catch can. This was where the air box was, the air filter box was. Since I have an air intake, I just have space right here to put it on. Next thing, you're gonna have to take off your intercooler. I took off mine is an aftermarket, so I only had to take off these bolts, just loosen up the bracket right here and take off my blow off valve. Next thing, once you take off your intercooler and your blow off valve, and you mounted your oil catch can, you're gonna find over here behind all this stuff, behind this clip, you're gonna take it off also. You're gonna take it off just to have more space, and find this clip too. You're gonna disconnect this one too, which is kind of tight. Alright, so I have some trouble doing this, so I needed to use both my hands. Basically what I use for that clip, this connector, I just had to pry it out with the flathead screwdriver. Just pry it out and use your other hand to press this button right here, and it should be able to come out from here. And then next thing, you're gonna locate, move this a bit, this line right here. This line is the inlet that goes to the PCV valve, and this one's a breather over here for it that goes to your manifold. So you're gonna take off this clip right here and take off this hose from here and take it off from the PCV valve. Okay guys, so once you take off this hose, it's gonna have a clip right here, which you just press it with some this needle nose pliers, and then slide it out. You can slide it out from the intake manifold port, which is right here. This is what goes to your manifold right here, and this other side goes to the PCV valve, which is right here. You just it's also just a clamp, so you just press it right here with the needle nose and slide it out, and you can slide it out easily. Alright, so basically guys, you're gonna replace this pipe, this hose, with the catch can. So as you can see right here, the PCV valve has a lot of oil residue, as you can see right here, right in there. So yeah, whatever residue it has from the blow by and the gases is gonna go into the catch can. The gas is just gonna catch it, and the breather port is gonna go to the manifold. So I bought this hose from Lowe's. I have no idea if it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna resist, but the hose that came in with the eBay catch can, it's too thin, and like it doesn't really feel like it's trustable. So I had to buy this one. This one's a little bit more thick, but I don't know if it's gonna resist the heats from the engine, so I'll see what happens. So now the way you're gonna connect it to your catch can to that, you're gonna take your inlet, which is gonna connect the hose right here to the PCV valve over here, And then you're gonna route your out port with the hose. You're gonna route it to the manifold ports right here, and that should be it. Let me just do it really quick and I'll show you guys right now. So you're gonna put the couplings right here. You should be getting couplings within your well together with your oil catch can. You have different sizes. Whatever you need, whatever hose you need, you can just fit it in right here. And that's pretty much it. You have also clamps right here. They comes with clamps in order for you to put them on the other side of the hose, on the connectors over here. And you can just route the hose, whatever you need. Just put it in on one of the ports, and then just route the hose through wherever you're gonna put it through, and it should connect over there on that side. And then just measure it, and then you can cut it out. Whatever you need, whatever hose you have left over, you can use it for the other side. Alright, so I just finished installing this. So your inlet line is gonna go straight to your PCV valve right under here. As you can see, I put a clamp, the clamp that came in with the oil catch can. And then your outer port is gonna go straight to your intake port, the manifold port I mean. And then I used the bracket that came with the OEM hose because I couldn't do the clamp like this one. So it's holding. With my hoses, I don't know if they're gonna resist the heat from the engine or the gases. So I'll see later on how they do. If not, I'm gonna have to change them again. That's pretty much it. You replace this hose with your oil catch can.
DJ, turn under the beat 'cause I'm gonna get down.